Hi guys! Good afternoon sa UK. Ayan. Pagigising ko lang guys. It's 4:50. But, umalis ang asawa ko about 4:30, I think. Or 4:15. Something like that. Tapos, I have my coffee guys. Tapos, ang tawag nito, ilagay ko nga dito sa gilid. Kain tayo. Ayan, ang ulam ko, okra with salmon. Ayan. Salmon, guys. Ayan, oh. Tapos, okra na may sabaw. Tapos, may meat. Hindi ako ganong masyadong sa luto ko, guys. Kasi, nag-diet pa rin ako dahil sa aking fatty liver. Pero kumakain pa rin ako ng pizza. Bihira lang yun, guys. Bihira lang nangyari. Siguro nangyari yun nung kumain ako ng pizza 2 weeks ago. The other day. Buhay-buhay, guys. Alam mo ba, sa work namin, marami akong kasamang mga colored people. Itumba. Ngayon, dalawang buwan na ako. Sa 2 buwan na yan, many times na siyang lagi niya akong binubuska. What is buska? Inaasar ba? Kaya bang, lagot siguro na siya na ako. Maybe she don't really like me. And she keep picking me. Then one time, nasa tabi siya. Tumabi siya sa akin. Nasabihan niya ako, oh, yung kamay mo, oh, your hands is blocking me. Kaya, alam mo yun, mga issue na ganyan. Ayoko na sana patulan. Kailan tao lang naman tayo. We're just human. You know? And she kept doing that to me. So what I did, I told her, why you keep doing that to me? You keep picking me. And besides, you are here beside me. You come towards me. I didn't do anything on you. Then, hindi na ako nakatiis na as I did ask advice to in the office. And thankfully, 2 of them there in the office advised me to come and to talk to my supervisor. And then I even asked if do I need to speak direct to the manager. And you can, pero you better speak first to Sharon, to your supervisor. Before going to the manager. So I did speak to the supervisor. And then if it's still going like that, if she still continue doing picking me, I'm going to go straight to the manager. I'm so nice to everybody. I'm always be. There's no place to be horrible in this life, you know. My God, in my age, even before people or some people don't like me, but you know, I keep calm. Maybe because the way how I treated when I grow up from the Apuya residence, Apuya family. I'm so thankful to them, and never in my life I will forget them. I'll always be thinking of them for the good things that they done for me in my life when I was there for staying with them. Magandang pagpalaki sa akin, guys. Even though hindi talaga ako na-finish until I finished my study there, I go to my sister. But in the age of 14, 13, 14, ano na ako noon, I have my brain already to think what is good for the future. I'm not thinking for now, but I have to do it now for my future. Yan yung iniisip ko noon. Na ano ko sa sarili ko na dapat mayroon akong goal na 2 years from now, ano kayang ano ko. 3 years from now, ano kayang ganito. Pero kaya lang, sad to say, nagkaroon ako ng partner na walang niisip kundi only for today. There's no tomorrow. But that's not my mentality. I keep asking him, what's gonna be in our future for the 5 years from now? Anong gagawin natin? You know, I make my own business at the age of 20, 21, 22. Because kailangan kong gawin yun para makita sa sarili ko na ano ba talaga ang dapat. Pag nabuhay ka ng wala, kawalan mo yun. Ikaw may gawa. Mabuhay ka ng meron kasi masipag ka. So guys, yun, kagabi, patuloy ko yung yung kasama ko laging itim yan. Tapos, sabi ko sa kanya, ipagpatuloy mo pa rin yung pag-aasar sa akin. Are you still having thinking to picking on me? I was not picking on you. I mean, picking, what is saying I was not and you are? Sabi ko sa kanya, really? Sabi ko, really, you're not picking on me? But never mind, it's all done. I hope no more. I don't want it anymore. And if you want your work, I want my work. You want your money? I want my money too. Sinabi ko sa kanya kagabi. Yan, sinabihan ko siya, Merry Christmas! Done. Hindi kailangan maging matigas. Kailangan mo pa rin, I give my hand, I give my words in a good way. I'm not doing anything bad to anyone. That's all. So, to all my chismosa neighbors, hoy, make sure na ang tabi mo da tinuod. What if maging close ka lang sa isang tao, boyfriend na kaagad? Hindi yun. Uy, Diyos ko, mabuti may taog, kawa ko'y utok, no? Naugwa ko'y brain, no? Naagod, mo bitaw na ako dire kay na ako'y utok. Di ba? Gahon-una ako sa akong life food, uy. Wa ko maguna-huna sa inyo, mga neighbors. Ig-agaw, dili ig-agaw, amiga ko no, tas dili di amiga. Naapoy akong kaliwat nga medyo distance pa. Mang-invite ba ako ninyo? Pero kamulay mo reject. Kaya nga no, best of friends man mo. Nga ako, nga na ako di permi sa England, nga ug mauli ko din ha. Di ko ninyo tagdon, I don't care. Because my life is beautiful. Not only, hindi may ikot ang buhay ko dyan sa barangay. Okay? I have my own life. Yes, natural. Pupunta ako sa barangay kung saan ako nakasakop. Gihingi ako ng mga kung ano-ano dyan, kung anong mga dapat gawin. Request. Normal lang yan. Nga padi-di, ay, lahi na. Kay, sobrang kamaayo na lang yun ako ninyo. Nag-promise ko, unta, nga na mag-get together. Pero, sigig ulan day. One time na hindi gaanong maulan pero kulimlim. I did ask you to come to my house and mag-cook tayo doon, di mo ganahan. Hindi mo sa ganahan mo adto sa barangay nga adto dito. Bisag dadon na ninyo tanan. Inyong mga kauban, okay ra kay tanan. Sus ko. Pero tungod kay deny man ko ninyo, okay lang sad. So good night and good day sa inyong tanan. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.